Hello YouTube, this is Braden with Midwest Websites, your solution for business website design and search engine optimization. Have an old business website that you just can't find the time to update anymore? Give it a fresh coat of paint by reaching out to our designers and we'll help bring it into the modern age. Link in the description below. Now today we're going to go over a common error that comes up with some WordPress sites based on your hosting provider's settings. And that error actually stems from difficulties uploading or installing plugins and themes through your WordPress admin dashboard. Some hosting providers will limit the amount of data that you can upload in an uploaded file, which can make it pretty difficult to get some of the premium themes and more robust plugins installed on a WordPress website. So today I'm going to show you how to work around that by showing you how to upload files through your file manager, where to put them for your plugins and your theme, so that you can then access them in your dashboard and get them installed. So as you can see here, I've got a cPanel set up. This is a GoDaddy shared Linux cPanel platform. I've actually created a WordPress website on an add-on domain called example3.midwestwebsites.com. I've got it set up here under its own folder. So we're going to be using that website for the demonstration today. So to go ahead and get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download your plugin and theme files for whatever you're trying to upload from the provider. Now, most providers will have a location where you can access their content either on their own website or through WordPress so that you can get a zip file for each of them. It is going to be important that you keep these files zipped before you go in and start uploading them to the server. If you want to unzip them, you can upload the unzipped versions directly via FTP, but that's going to be a more cumbersome process than what I'm going to be showing you here today. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and go into the home page of our cPanel here, and we're going to go ahead and open up the file manager. Now we're going to go over to our example3.midwestwebsites.com folder, and you're going to see typical files for a WordPress installation here. For uploading plugins and themes manually, both are going to take place in this WP content folder. So we're going to go ahead and double click on that to open it up. And we'll go ahead and start with the plugin since it's first on the list here. Now as you can see, we've got a couple plugins that are already installed, but let's say that I want to install another plugin like Really Simple SSL, and for whatever reason I just can't get it uploaded and I can't figure out why my hosting provider's settings are set in such a way that I can't fix them. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and click on this upload button up at the top of the page. Most cPanels and most file managers in general are going to have an option like this, so if you have a different hosting environment, that's perfectly okay. You're just going to be looking for whatever option allows you to upload new files. And we're actually going to go ahead and browse our local machine here. And we're going to go ahead and grab the Really Simple SSL folder that I downloaded a little while ago. And you'll see down here in the lower right, it's going to be uploading my folder. It says that it's complete, so we're going to go ahead and close this little tab. And if we click the reload button in our file manager, or if you refresh the page in your browser, you'll see that there's a zip file here now. cPanel does give you the ability to directly extract these files, and since it is one of the more common hosting environments, we're going to go over that. If your hosting platform does not offer the ability to extract zip files, then you are going to be stuck using FTP. We do have a guide for how to upload files via FTP, so I'll go ahead and include that in the description below for you. So we're going to go ahead and extract this zip folder. Go ahead and just extract it to the folder that it recommends. It's going to be the same folder you're in most cases. We'll go ahead and close the little pop-up window, and if we reload the page, we should see our Really Simple SSL plugin. Last thing you'll want to do is, in most cases, you'll want to remove the zip file from the server just so that it's not taking up space or creating potential vulnerabilities for you. So we'll go ahead and just delete that. We'll right-click and go to delete. You can also use the delete button up at the top of the page here. And then we're going to go ahead and head over to look at our theme. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just pop open our little drop down here on the left to go back to the example3.midwestwebsites.com. We'll go to the content folder and we'll go to themes. Now we've got the default 2015, 2016, and 2017 themes installed here. I went ahead and downloaded the older 2014 theme, so we're going to go ahead and just upload that real quick. Same way you handled the plugins, hit the upload button, browse your computer, find the zip file, upload the zip file, and we'll wait for it to be done down here in the lower right. Looks like it's complete, so we'll go ahead and close the window. And it's here, so we'll go ahead and extract. We'll get rid of the zip file. And now let's go ahead and head over to our WordPress admin dashboard and make sure that they're showing up for us like they should. I'm already signed in, so we'll go ahead and head over to plugins. And yep, there's Really Simple SSL. It's able to be activated. And this works exactly the same way as if you had gone in and gone to add new up here at the top, searched for the plugin and installed it. This just gives you a workaround if, for whatever reason, your admin dashboard isn't letting you upload it manually, or automatically, rather. And we're going to jump over and just have a look at our themes under Appearance. And there's 2014. Again, same sort of thing here. This is the same process as going in and hitting the Add New button in your dashboard. This is just a good workaround if you have a particularly large theme and your admin dashboard or hosting settings aren't up to handling the automatic installation. And I hope this video has been of some help to you. If it has, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It definitely helps a lot. And have a great rest of the day.